the Sattvic concept of daily life. Namaste, welcome to the Sattvic concept of daily life. Myself Chetana Badekar. Today we are going to discuss about importance of travel in our life. Travel, many of us might have been done from our working place to hometown or different areas on different occasions. That is not the travel I am going to mention here. Like I have seen that the travel is losing the value when you are literally going with the heavy luggage with all your amenities. You are not going to explore anything in that such kind of travel. You will be repeating your house condition, the place where you are visiting. I am not going to talk about such a travel. I am going to talk about such travel which can achieve you some amount of detachment in the life, which can teach you the power of detachment in the life. If a person is traveling from his place to a distant places, he will carry all the food, whatever he is supposed to eat, all the clothes and all the amenities, what is required for his home. It is literally he is repeating his daily schedules in some other location. There is nothing much to explore with that. A travel which is surprising with the minimum amenities, where the person is ready to adjust to the new place and the new food and new atmosphere, that is something interesting travel which can teach you something. The power of travel is it will teach you the potentiality of detachment. We are attached. Normally the person who is constantly staying in a same place is attached to many things. For example, you are visiting a canteen for your daily food. You are preferring particular seat. You want one particular servant to attend you. So you are attached with so many things. From the morning when you get up till the evening, if you observe, there are many articles and materials you are attached with. These kind of behavior repeatedly add you more and more stronger attachment with the unworthy things. How to get disconnected or detached from that? To achieve the detachment in the life, travel is the best medicine. That you might have been observed in some institutions. For example, the institution like CMI, where the father used to get the transfer in once in 3 years or once in 5 years. That is a great lesson for them. They build many variety of things in the institution, they develop so many programs, but the time when it comes to leave, they just have to drop it there and hand over to the respective person and move to a new place and start the new venture or manage the new venture. See, if you are attached with whatever you built or whatever you negotiated, will you enjoy this process of transfer? The transferring process will make you to travel to a distance places. The definition of the travel itself like that. The movement of people from one location to the different geographical locations. So that will explore you the power of detachment. The amount of attachment and the amount of detachment should be balanced in the life. That is also visible in the Parivrajaka sannyasis. Who are Parivrajaka sannyasis? Whenever the sannyasa was taken, the first lesson given for them is for traveling. For they have to move for their food. The sannyasi not supposed to earn his food. He is supposed to beg whatever it is given, that he have to eat and satisfy himself. So in that also there is a rule. So you can go on begging from one house to another house. For example, on the third house itself you are getting your meal, then you no need to move to the fourth location. The third house itself you got the meal which is sufficient for you for that particular day. Sannyasis are not allowed to accumulate for the next day or day after tomorrow. Tomorrow he has to beg again. For example, you are visiting some houses, you are not at all getting the food. There are limitation of 7 houses you can go in a day. On the third house itself you are getting, then come back. Even after visiting the 7th house, if you are not getting the food, then that day is meant for starving. These kind of exercises will help somebody to understand the governance of the universal energy on us. The transfer or the certain happenings of the life will teach you how the universal energy is guiding you. When you travel from one place to another place, you are exploring to a new set of food, new set of culture, new set of lifestyle. That exploration will also acknowledge you. It is not the only way to live which you are already adapted. There are different ways to survive. There are different dimensions for the life. This will help you to explore your knowledge. And it is also true that We should not be clinged on to the articles of the life or the bondages of the life. When the time comes, we are supposed to depart, supposed to live. That power will come only when you know the essence of detachment. So, travel gives you the secret, or travel reveals you the secret of detachment. Travel is essential for our life. And whenever you are traveling, please have that mentality or flexibility to adjust to the new venture which you are going to explore. Rather than carrying all your amenities with the 2-3 bags, let us adjust and explore to the new venture. That will teach you many lessons. So, travel is an essential part of the life. We all have to travel. We have to explore to the different geography, different culture. It is an essential part of our life. Conveying this, I wish to conclude this topic in a crisp way, and we will meet with a more exciting topic in the coming videos. Till then, thank you.